Hi Craig, wanted to show you the drag and drop functionality. So I'm currently logged in into the beta server, and Z Abhishek is the client, and this is one of the exhibit that is there. So if we see, this exhibit has four quantity, and let's see what's inside it. So this has two elements, both having two quantity, and then it has these two graphics. One of them has three quantity and one of them has two quantity. Now let's go and edit it. So I had selected two crates to be put these exhibits into. So as we see here, this is showing exhibit 688. This is the fourth quantity. Now when I click on it, this shows me unit 1, 2, 3, 4. I click on it, it further shows me two elements having two quantities, two graphics having three and two quantity. I can further drop it down and it shows me element 1 and element 2, and I can then close them if I want to. And then this is there for my exhibit unit 2, exhibit unit 3, and exhibit unit 4. So the expectation was that I can drag the entire exhibit into a crate. So once I do that, all the elements and graphics have been shifted here, and the quantity here it shows as 0 and it has turned red. The reason for showing them is if we want to drop it back, I'll show you that also how that works. Another expectation was that instead of putting the entire exhibit, if I want to just put the elements, so let me drag these elements here, two elements here. So if you see, this has become 0. Let me drag these three graphics here. Sorry. This has become 0. The third expectation was I can pick up a particular element and then drag it also. So one second. So if we see, this has turned into 1. So now as we see, these ones are all empty. These are empty which have been shifted here. Now I'll show you how we can drop it back. So I can just pick it up here and drop it. So as soon as I drop it, it goes exactly at the same place from where I picked it. And the quantity on the left gets updated accordingly. So this element here has been updated accordingly. Let me drop one more and show you. Let me drop one of the graphics. So this graphic has turned 1. Now let me try and drop it here. I know it was from the first exhibit, but even if I drop it in the second unit, since the system knows it had come from the first one, so automatically it goes at the right place. So this is how it has been done. So if you can let us know your feedback, and if it works, then we will replicate it on accessories also. So as and when I'm doing it, it is getting updated in the database also. So I can either click on finish packing, or even if I don't click it, the exhibit, the drag and drop has happened actually. So if once I click on finish packing, I come back on this particular screen. So please have a review and let us know your feedback so that we can implement it on accessories also. Thank you.